is bomb. This is good. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith Amina, and today is Cooking Wednesday. Yes, we are going to be cooking today, and as we're cooking, I have a special treat for you guys. We are making avocado pesto. Now, I never made it before, and I'm going to be trying a recipe that I found on the internet, so I hope you guys enjoy. I don't really know what I'm doing, but hopefully it comes out really well. You guys are going to be coming along with me for the ride. And we're just going to get right into it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So definitely check out what I have going on those days. And let's be friends on social media. Let's get into it. So we have the lemon, we have the avocado, and we have the garlic in here. The recipe also calls for fresh basil leaf, but I do not have fresh basil leaf. So I'm just going to add some sun-dried ones. And if it wasn't quarantine, I probably would have went out and got some. But since it's quarantine and it's not really essential, I can still get. I feel like I can get away with this. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think that's about 2 tablespoons that I put in there. And I like Italian seasoning, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in here as well. Just a little bit, because I like my things to have flavor. I don't want no bland food, since, you know, who wants that? And then this is a little bit of garlic powder. No, this is onion powder. We already have a garlic in it, so I don't need garlic powder on top of fresh garlic. And then just a little bit of red crushed pepper flakes. I like it to be a little spicy. Not too much, but just like a little kick. So I'm going to do a couple of shakes. And next, we're just going to blend it up in my NutriBullet and see what we are going to get. So let's get ready for that. Okay, guys. So I almost put the NutriBullet to go, but I forgot that I need to add some olive oil into the mix because, you know, we need it to be a little smooth, a little creamy. So we're just going to pour that in. I feel like that's a good amount. If not, I will pour more. If not, I will pour more in there. Boom. Make sure it's on tight. Slap that bad boy down. Okay, so now that this is all done, the avocado pesto is all done. Let's open it up. Ooh, it smells good. Let's take a teaspoon. I almost did my finger in there because I'm here and I'm the only one gonna eat it. So I could really just, you know, pop a finger in there and eat it, but I'm gonna be professional and I'm gonna take a clean spoon. Oh, this is bomb. This is good. Hey. So let's get started with the pasta. Now I have my water boiling. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the water while it's boiling. So this is me just letting go some, you know, loose ones. And then, yep, I can't break it. Try again. No. One more. Oh, no, we're going to be smart and we're going to make it into halves. We're going to break it into halves and then we're going to try it again. And struggle. Oh, we got it. Boom.
That's why I should have stopped. That was enough pasta. But no, I don't know when to stop. I just keep going and struggle. Oh, break it. That was better than the first time. Boom. Pasta. I usually don't make pasta like this. I usually have a bigger pot. But I think I was being lazy or I didn't feel like cleaning that pot. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't just do it a regular way. This was embarrassing. I hope you enjoyed. Now on to the tomatoes. So you get your tomatoes, put some oil, whatever you want. I think this was sunflower oil that I put on it. And then you just put whatever seasoning that you like. So I put a little bit of garlic salt on there, black pepper, whatever you like to do. You put it on there. Because as my girl off of Instagram, Miss Tabitha Brown says, that's your business. You do what you want because it's your business. Whatever you like to put on top of that, boom, bam, make it happen. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees. So while you're waiting for everything to cool off, you are going to take your tomatoes, put it on your pasta that you pre-mixed together because you know you're ready to eat. Look at that. Yes, that looks good.
Okay, guys, so after we drained the pasta, mixed everything together, and I took the tomatoes out the oven, this is what it looks like. Y'all, when I tell you this is like the bomb.com, this is so yummy. I tasted the sauce a little bit earlier, and so now I like to, so let me dig in. This is banger. Banger. And then you just take a little bit of the tomato because it's soft. Twirl it around a little bit. Now I got the spoon there just in case I wanted to be fancy. But that ain't about to happen. I'm not about to do that. If I was on a date, I might, but today, nah, boo. This is definitely good. I would pair this with some bread, but since I'm trying to be like a good vegan and only do plant-based, and the bread that I have and mine has butter on it and it's not vegan butter, I'm just gonna eat it like it is. You guys can always top this off with a little bit of vegan mozzarella or Parmesan cheese, vegan style or non-vegan style. You can add chicken in here if you eat meat. This will pair really well. So I'm allergic to shrimp, but I feel like shrimp will go well with this. I don't know why, but I just feel like that would set it off. It would be really good. But like always, guys, I love you guys from the bottom to the top. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day, evening, morning, or wherever you are on this journey. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share with a friend. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for coming along with Cooking with me on Wednesdays. Bye, guys.